The previous video got us familiar to the concept of indicators. Indicators are the substance that are used to detect the acidic or basic nature of solutions. We have seen how turmeric acts efficiently as natural indicator. Now let's talk about other natural indicators, and that is China rose. China rose is an plant. So how that can be used as an indicator? The fact is the flowers of China rose possess a good ability of detecting acids and bases. So how do we use China rose flower as an indicator? It's very simple. All we have to do, add hot water to the petals of China rose in the beaker. Let it rest for some time. This solution can be used as an indicator. When the drops of these are added to an acidic solution, then the color of the solution is changes to magenta red or a slightly different shade of red. That matter. However, when added to an alkaline solution, the color of the alkali changes to green or yellowish green to be precise. The solution changes color in very less time, and that is how we use China rose as an indicator. However, sometimes it's not very convenient to add the indicator to the solution. In such cases, some different types of system is required. Something more efficient. So in such cases, litmus paper comes our rescue. What are litmus paper? Well, before that, tell me, have you come across the term lichens? Yes, we have studied in the biology that some biotic relation of algae and fungi gives us a unit lichen. The major function of lichens in ecosystem is that they act as a pollution indicator. Their growth is hindered when there is excess of pollution. As a result, chemical changes in the body of lichens can give us indication of nature of the substances that come in contact with them. So, a substance extracted from a lichen body called litmus is used as a natural indicator for a chemical purposes, especially in detecting the acidic and a basic nature of solutions. The litmus obtained from a lichen body is a mixture of some dyes that are usually observed on a filter paper. This paper made on litmus on it is used as an indicator for detecting acids and bases. Two colors of litmus paper are usually available: red litmus paper and blue litmus paper. The red litmus paper, when comes in contact with an acid, is placed no color change, but turn blue in the presence of a base. In contrast with this, the blue litmus paper turn red on contacting in acid, and while it remains unchanged in a basic solution. This is how several compounds are used as indicators that help us in detecting the acidic and alkaline nature of solutions. Let us now move ahead and find out when we mix an acid and a base. But we know this already. We have seen that an acid and a base when mixed gives us salt and water. Let's study these neutralization reactions in detail in the next videos. Thank you. Thanks for watching the video.